Hi, my beautiful friends. I hope everybody's doing well. Okay, so tomorrow's Wednesday, and we're going to hear from the Fed, and that probably means we're going to get a increase in interest rates. So I expect the market to start to rally, and that means that money could possibly move out of the oil markets a little bit. We might see a little bit of a drawback, so be prepared for that. I am going to buy more personally because I'm just in oil, and that's what I do. I trade oil and silver. You guys, there's been a little bit of a drawback in the silver, not much, but this is definitely the time to buy because we are in this rigged market period where, I don't know if you've heard, but JP Morgan has been in trouble several times for rigging the market. That is no secret. And so we are asking ourselves, so why would JP Morgan do that? Why would JP Morgan be like hoarding silver? And I've actually seen pictures, and it's hard to say if they're absolutely real, but I would imagine they say that they have a lot of silver. I mean, a lot of silver. And people not people, but countries, China and Russia, they're definitely holding on to a lot of silver and gold as well, just stacking commodities. And I think they're in the mood for something big. I'm really hoping that we're not looking at going to war. And I know that you guys are hearing a lot of news about it. If you listen to the mainstream media at this point, I really hope you have a tough skin because this isn't for the faint of heart. It is going to be a rough go for a while. And usually when we go into war, when a presidency isn't doing so well, sometimes you'll see this happen. And it's kind of a strategic move. And, it's probably not the nicest thing to say, but it's true. It happens. And I see that even Biden's, media people are recognizing that they have a big problem. So we're going to look at maybe going to war just for the sake of going to war. I don't know. You can agree with me or disagree, but I know that anytime that we've looked at being in Ukraine, our prices of oil have went up, and I'm a trader of oil. That's what I do. So you guys, just be prepared for a little bit of a pullback. I'm in, calls and, that kind of thing. So I know that those kind of pullbacks don't last for very long, especially, I think tomorrow they were talking about releasing some oil from the reserves. And usually we do get some extra pullback with that too. If not, here's the thing is we're going into earnings season. And sometimes, people will just not sell during earnings. They will just buy more because they're looking for the dividend. So, but beyond that, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful trading week. I hope you're all doing well. I know the stock market it's just doing poorly, very poorly. And I worry about people who have their investments in, just the standard market, especially small dividend stocks. You guys, I don't know how to put it, but I used to trade in those a long, long, long time ago. And I learned my lesson the hard way. I lost probably $5,000. Okay. And that's really embarrassing to say, but you learn your lesson, right? And, it hurt because I was very new. And so I do not trade small dividend or small cap stocks is what they're called, penny stocks, that kind of thing. Just stay away from them, guys. If it's not like something you see every day, let's Coca-Cola, Target, Walmart, Amazon. I know Amazon's a lot to get into, but I really appreciate that people like Robinhood or Webull will allow you to get into those stocks, with a portion, and maybe you just buy a little more, here and there. Right now, when things are crazy, this is the time to buy, guys. I know that people don't want to hear it, but, that's just the way it is. When everybody else, there's blood in the water and people are afraid, do not be afraid. If the stock market crashes, we're going to have much bigger problems than, what's going on with your money that you put into stocks, right? So much love to you all. I hope you please like and subscribe. I really appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you all very soon. Thank you.